live your life as it's your last day. With that inspirational quote, I will help you understand how important is the life. Guys, if you just start living the life just as it's the last day, then you will live the life to the fullest. And this was the inspirational quote given by Steve Jobs in one of his speech. He used to stand in front of the mirror and he used to tell that today will be the last day, so what I will be doing, what are the things that I will be doing today if it was my last day. So whenever you have thought that, and whenever you think that this is the last day today and I need to live the life at the fullest, you will do each and everything which is really very important. And all the negativity which is there inside you will vanish. Even the enemy comes to you, you will hug him, because it is your last day and you will give the fullest of your life and you will live the fullest of your life. For an example, if you go and ask the kid in indirect way that today will be the last day, what you will do, his answer will be, I will not go home. He will play all the time. This means that he will enjoy his life to the fullest. And when we start living the life to the fullest, you will be more productive. And you will appear more than what you are. Because all the energy you will be using it for making it productive day. Because you know that you are gonna die after that particular day. And we never know when we are gonna die. When is our last breath. So it's always better that each and every day when you wake up, you tell this to your mind that today is the last day and I will live the life to the fullest. And guys, when you tell this to yourself that today is gonna last day of my life, you will perform each and every task with all that energy. Just imagine this, guys, that if you love something and you know that today will be the last day, you will perform that task at its best. You will give full energy to it. And if you do this, if you have this quote in your mind each and every day that today will be the last day of my life, just imagine how beautiful your life will be. All the days will be so productive, and when all these days are mixed together, when they are brought together, you will be really proud of yourself because you have created the best version of yourself. Right? So please go and live your days just like it's your last day. That's the inspirational quote all about. Live the life to the fullest. Live every day as it was your last day, and try achieving all your goals. I hope you loved this video, and if you like the topic, please hit a like, please subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching.